The journey begins. It's not impossible that 6 weeks from today, your life will be entirely different. My name is Dr. David Wiss, and I put my heart and soul into creating this app. Let's take a quick tour of some of the features. One of the first things you want to do is set your intentions. For example, you can set intentions for the program, for consuming a wide range of plant colors, for consuming dietary supplements, and you can always come back to these, set new intentions, or unselect intentions that you've already met. Under the intentions, you'll notice an area for supplements. This is supplements to consider based on your mental health scores if you provide that data. This occurs once you become a subscriber. You can look at the list of possible supplements to explore. From there, you can navigate into settings where you can always update or change your name, email, create a username, change your password, turn on Face ID, and turn on notifications. It could be important to have a notification on for your nightly review. This allows you to reflect on your progress throughout the day and keeps you moving through the modules at a consistent pace. You can see here I have toggled on nightly review for 9:45 p.m. To advance to the next module, you do need to do a nightly review. The nightly review is based on your food logs and the intentions that you set. But just a reminder, you don't have to log your food to do a nightly review. You can absolutely conduct one without any food logging and just look at your intentions and ask yourself a few basic questions. What could I have done better today? What corrective measures can I take tomorrow? And what did I do well? It's all entirely optional. From there, feel free to click on the dashboard and check out all the different modules that you can expect along the journey. The first 9 modules are free, but once you unlock the full program, you're going to get the real deep dive where you can start doing the workbook, start doing some assignments, saving gems, links, and really start creating your own customized meal plan for mental health. On the info button, you can see your intentions and go in and modify them. You can also look at your supplement list. And on the data button, you can see your mental health scores and how they may have changed. This all unlocks when you become a subscriber. Next is the food log, which is a huge part of the app that has its own video, which is next. But I want to highlight one piece. In the upper left-hand corner, the calendar allows you to do your nightly review. The final feature to highlight is the Connect feature, where you can add your clients, friends, family, colleagues. You can follow other app users by requesting them. You do need to know their username in order to send them a request, and the app user has to accept your request in order to be followed. Once they accept your request, you can view their food logs and start an interactive community building experience on the Wise Mind Nutrition app. I'm so excited for you to take this journey. Remember, you don't have to log your food in order to advance through the modules. You don't have to watch all the modules to use the food log. They're separate parts of the app, but they work really well when you use them together. Feel free to reach out with any questions or concerns. We're here for you.